Guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can invite someone to your workspace in the plain project management application. So let us dive into this. Launch the plain project management application, for example, via Google Chrome, log into your account. And what you will need to do first, guys, is select the given workspace in the top left corner by clicking into your user icon here and select one of your workspaces here. So I will go with this one. So guys, you will see that button below, invite members. So that's one way how you can do it. Or alternately, here in the home section of your workspace, you will see in this option here, invite your team or invite to your team. So you may click into this button. So I will go with that option here in the top left corner, select invite members. And after that, you will be redirected to the members section of your workspace, as you can see, guys. So what you will need to do here is simply click into add member here on the very right hand side. And after that, enter the recipient's or invitee's email address here where it says name at. And to the right, guys, set also a member status like guest, admin, or member. So you can already make an invitee an admin of the given workspace if you like. You can add, of course, more. And yeah, add as many of your contacts or friends as you like, or simply remove these invitations by clicking into that X button here. So that's it, guys. As you can see, there's no invitation link. You will need to do this with an email invitation. Once you have entered the email address of the invitee or recipient, simply click into send invitations and simply wait for the invitee to either accept or decline your invitation to your workspace. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.